How to add links to Facebook story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, let me show you by copying a link. Any of the link. For example purpose, I am using this link of Facebook application. Now let's go to Facebook to add that link in our Facebook story. So simply launch Facebook, tap on create story. Then you can either use text and then simply add this link, or you can add link in a video or a photo. Simply go to stickers and then over here, if you have the option, simply tap on link and you can insert your link over there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.